So, lid is off. The last time I dropped the queen cage in there, make sure not to do that. And of course, it's windy today, but I really have no option but to do it. Alright, so we are getting the box loose, queen cage. We have to hold on to her and get the sugar water can out. Might want to spritz them down with some more sugar water so they're not tempted to fly away. Look at them. That's all they want is their queen. So I'm going to just flick them off. Flick them off my hand. The queen actually looks like she might be dead. All of them look dead in there, in fact. Yep. Queen is not alive. So when this happens, yeah, because see, there's no movement in there at all. So the queen has died. I'm just making sure all the workers in there are dead. They look as if they are, I don't know, like they've starved. I'm going to go ahead and take the candy end of the cork out just to make sure I'm practicing, you know, the right way of releasing the queen, even though the queen seems to be dead in here. Got little tweezers. I'm just gonna try to just dig it. But yeah, so as the fact that there's no queen, I'm pretty discouraged. Because now I'm like, okay, well, these are just going to abscond. They're going to be looking for a queen. Yeah, there's no activity in there at all. So they must have just still been, yep, I see her. She's in there and she is not alive. She is dead. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep this almost as evidence because the bee company is going to have to see that their queen was dead on arrival, and they're going to have to send me one very, very quick. So now my only option is to put these bees in this hive and pray that they stay. Oh yeah, like even the can, it is pretty much empty. So now I'm going to do the old shake. The old shake, shake, shakeroo. not happy. Now I'm going to just walk away from this because I highly doubt this is going to be a successful, yeah, I don't think this is going to be successful at all, unfortunately.